Hi everyone, today I'm going to attempt to film in pouring rain. As you can see, it's raining today. Just going to get my vintage camcorder out. Of course I don't want my camera to get all wet, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a plastic sheet over it so that I can film outdoors without the camera getting soaking wet. This way the camera stays dry. Vintage filming in pouring rain. And this is what it kind of looks like. And I'm just getting ready to head back and get dry again. Get back home. Start heading home. Thanks for watching my video.